Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Very good afternoon, ma'am. I'm doing great. What about you? And thanks for asking.
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Everything is going good. And thank you so much for asking. So, how is your day so far?
My day was so far about to the actually nowadays kids school has been started, so that is why I was busy with them. But yeah, now I'm just thinking, okay, I have to be start something. So now we are settling down in another place. So they were
Okay.
going to the school. So now I got a free time. So like I got a message in the group. So I just think, okay, let's have a session with you. So that way I have to start again same
Very
process
nice.
because
Very
from last month I am not been consistent in this conversation process.
okay. Okay. So, before jumping to the conversation, can I know about little bit about you?
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. Okay, so I will tell about myself. My name is Preeti. I hail from Indore. I will talk about my studies. So I have completed MBA.
So
Previously, I
sorry,
was
ma'am.
working
Where are
as
you
a.
from? Where are you from?
I'm from Indore. Indore.
Okay, Indore.
It's
Okay.
Indore, MP.
It's a very nice
Hmm.
place, is it?
Yes, yes. It's
Yes,
a
I
very
heard
clean
about
city.
it. It's very nice, neat and clean city. I can say, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
And I will talk about my studies. So I have completed MBA. Previously, I was working as a financial advisor. Now I'm not working. I just start to running my YouTube channel, but I just stopped it from last month. But I'm also giving the spoken classes. So that is the way like I also learn, and I also be a consistent in my journey. And I also having a session nowadays to start re again. I would say it's again. So that way like it's pretty much about me, ma'am. Thank you.
Wow, it's a lovely introduction, and you are doing so many things. And now, currently, I'm talking with a teacher. This is my pleasure. So I'm here. Thank you so much for connecting with me. Okay, it's my
Thank
turn now.
you.
I am Tripti. I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I'm working professional. I'm a makeup artist. I do salon business, and simultaneously, I have a little small YouTube. So let's see. This is little bit about myself. I am trying to learn this language. That's it. Yeah.
That's great because everyone is learner, still learning this language because it's a ocean. Nobody will cover all the thing in a one go. So I'm also learning this language, still learning.
Okay. So as a trainer, as a teacher, can you guide me a little bit? How can I improve myself about this English? Because I am consuming a lot of idioms and advanced vocabulary, but I'm not like I'm forgetting, or I am not getting the right or at the right time. After wrap up the conversation, I feel bad. Like that, oh my god, I had a lot of word and idioms, but I didn't use it. Why it is happening, and how do I recover? From this
Okay.
things. Yeah.
Okay, so thanks for lovely question. And I'm a tutor from 5 months, but I'm not that much in good because I'm also a tutor for learning. Simultaneously, I started to taking a classes, so that is why I also learned. Now you are talking about the forgetting the words, vocabulary, and idioms. It's happened
Yeah.
with everyone, not from you only, because when we listen one time, two times, so it's not. Come in our tongue automatically, but when we are trying to one time try to use in your conversation, second time when you listen two to three times from others mouth, so automatically it will be registered in your mouth how to use this idiom, because it's happened with
Right.
me when I begin this journey. So that time I learned so many idioms, but I'm not using the idioms, so what the idiom we should use. But when we are listen to other, so that times it's automatically come in our tongue like we should use this idiom.
Mhm.
But sometimes
Mhm.
there is no need to go for the using the idiom, because if you know, you have to try to use. If not, if you are not okay with that, you have to start with the basic conversation. So when you are
Yes.
comfortable with this language, automatically idioms come in your mouth. There is no need to push your mind. And about to the vocab also, so you can try to listen a story and try to make a story by using the making a story. You learn new word and try to listen others mouth, so you are already having a session with other one, so that way you got
Okay.
some new words also from them. So when you listen from them, so you have to try to use the same word So that way you also learn the new word, because I also learned so many words from the listening part and try to be having a session. So by that, like if I know the meaning but I'm not using the word, but when we are continuously in this communication journey, so automatically we use new word also. So that is the way. Try to make a story and try to listen a lot, because the listening part is must for learning this language and speaking. Two aspect we should follow.
Yes, yes, I'm 100% agreed with you because any other part, like reading, without reading and writing, you can achieve the language. Only
Ma'am, give me
listening.
2 minutes. Ma'am, give me 2 minutes.
Sure, sure, sure.
Just मिनट चला जाएगा, मिनट चला जाएगा, मिनट के बाद में दे देंगे इसके बाद। ये बात कर लो मुझे। Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. Fine. Okay, so
Yeah.
so you told that you have to listen from another, anyone's mouth. That is why you can consume the word properly, and you can use next time in your conversation as well. Is it?
Yes, 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 yes. This
Yeah.
is the
Okay.
way. You have to use the new words in your communication, and you didn't forget. So many times when you listen a same word, so
Right.
automatically it will be registered in your mind.
Okay. So wind is blowing nicely. I think. How is the weather there? Oh my God.
Here
It's a. Is
is
it your baby?
okay. Here is the pleasant weather today. Actually,
Okay.
yesterday, yeah, he's my baby. Actually, he just come back from his school.
Okay, okay. So, I heard about Indar a lot. He's saying something. Is it he or she?
Is he?
Okay. He's saying something, I think. Okay, he's a
No,
very peaceful.
actually, just come and see. Mama is
Okay,
talking
say
to him.
hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say,
No, he's feeling shy. Is it?
yeah.
Okay.
But he is not shy. My elder one is shy. Shy kind of nature.
Okay, okay. So, ma'am, I am struggling with another problem. I want to discuss with you. That is, I love to read always. I love to read. I am a, I love to read, especially Bengali novel books. So after starting this journey, English journey, I am struggling
Hmm.
with like when I'm reading Bengali book. So I am feeling like that. I am feeling lack of confidence, like I am going to forget the English language when I am reading
Okay.
Bengali book. But when I'm reading English book, that time I love to read it okay, but I'm not getting that much interest and I'm getting the juice of the literature from English book. But I don't want to leave the reading habit. So what should I do? How can I balance
Okay.
with both? Yeah.
So first thing, ma'am, you have to do like for the reading purpose, you have to take it out, choose a book according to your perspective, like whichever is your comfort zone. Because what
Okay.
we are doing, we just take it out a book. We don't know what kind of book we should read, so we just take it out. The like many people are suggesting on the YouTube, like you have to pick up this book, that book. But I think
Yes, yes,
don't go
yes.
for this according to them, because our level they don't know. We know our
Right.
level, whatever the what is the level. So
Hmm.
according to your level, you should pick up the book, and then you get the interest in this that book. Why we are not getting the interest? Because sometimes we are not getting the word, what is the meaning of that. So
Yes,
we
yes.
are stuck in somewhere. That is the one
Yeah.
thing.
And
Second thing, why?
I'm not getting interest because I'm not getting the juice of this literature or story. Because I can read thoroughly and randomly I can read. I can, it's helpful for our, tongue and jaw muscle. Everything is okay. But until and unless I'm not getting the juice of the literature, the interest of the story, so I'm not getting interest as well. That is also
So why
problem.
you are not sorry for interrupting, why you are not getting the interest? Because you do, you first you know what kind of books do you like most, like what kind of content do you like most. So according to your interest you should start reading. Not all
Okay.
the books, all content you can't consume. So according to your like some people like to self help book, some people like to stories book. So it's up to you what kind of content would you like we can take about
Okay.
example
There
of
are
that.
so many
Like,
novel types of book in a market is available now, so I should pick up that type of books
yes.
only. Yeah, which genre I love the most.
Yeah, so
Is
that then you getting the interest to reading habit, and you can inculcate the habit continuously. So it's
uh,
kind of like you will be habitual with this, and you will get some interest also.
okay, okay. I think this is very helpful. Your suggestion for everyone. So there are so many people they are struggling with the same problem like me. Like me, they are not getting interest in English book, but many YouTubers they are advanced speakers and big YouTubers so called, and they are suggesting
Yeah.
so many books like these and that. I have been reading since long, like, the attitudes is everything. But yeah, it's very good book, but I'm not getting so much interest like what I get from Bengali book, Bengali novel book. This is the problem. For learning English, purpose sake of learning English, I'm just reading randomly. That's it. Yeah.
Everyone is learning this language, so they also inculcate the reading habit. I also inculcate the reading habit, but prior that, like I'm not reading that much in any subject. I don't like reading. I just try to listen. I will talk about my college time also. So when I was in college, that time my friend just read it out the paragraph and all the question and answer. So in that way, like I learned answer, and that way, like I just wrote it down in my exam.
Yeah, so we used to do like the where is the matching this line question to the all the of the story. We used to find out the story where is matching is there. That's that we we didn't know the meaning of the story all over like paragraph and all like that. So do you have YouTube channel, ma'am?
Yes, I have also the YouTube channel. It's Smart English Hub with Preeti.
Okay, yes,
When I
yes.
begin this journey, that time I started my YouTube channel as well.
Okay. So how long have you been running this channel, YouTube channel?
I have been learning this language almost 7 to 8 months. But
Okay.
when I begin this journey, so I start to having a session only, not for the
Only
audio. Yeah.
5 to 8 months. You are speaking very well. I can see you are very fluent and you are speaking very spontaneously. It's coming out like in a flow. Like it's how did you achieve it? What's
So
the
I would say yes, yes. So I would say for that, like first in initial begin the three months when I
mm,
embarked this journey, that time I used to listen a lot, try to speak a lot. That two aspect I follow. And
mm,
what I have to do that time, I had to do that time. I just try to listen a whole day, entire day,
okay.
all the podcast. Yeah. And what
Okay,
I
how
have to
many
do, like
hours
I just try.
average?
There is no limit of the hours. So when I wake up, I just try to listen. When I my kids will go to the school, so that time I try to listen. When I got a free time, I try to listen. And when I got a chance to having a conversation,
Anytime.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. So like I have a chance to having a conversation in the group. So some groups is there on WhatsApp, so I try to having a session with them, having a group conversation. So I try to listen to others, how they are speaking and what they are using the new words. And I just first collect vocabulary. First I
Okay.
focus on that, because if anyone want to become a speaker, so first what they have to do, they have to collect a vocab. Because if you have a vocab, then you have to work on your sentence structure. Because if you don't have a vocab, so how will you speak out something else? So
That's true.
that way, like I just collect a vocab, then I have to start to speaking. Simultaneously I am working on my speaking part also, simultaneously I also listening part. So that way I start to learn this language. And I'm having a session with the other co-learner. Like actually I'm using a one platform, that is the
Okay.
free platform. It's a Episodent. Did you heard that?
No.
Episodent. Okay, so this platform is a
After
free
wrap up the
platform.
conversation, please send me the link if you
Yes,
have.
yes, yes. I will send you. So wherever what is given, they are given the 7 minute to having a session with the other worldwide people, not
Oh,
Indian
really?
people only.
Wow.
Yes. So that way, like I start to having a session, and they are giving some topics also. So that way, I just think of that, like, and they are giving their expressions also, what you can say, and I got some ideas. So when I got the ideas, I have to explain there. At least 7 minute, we are getting the time. So that way, we having a session, and we are getting 4 to 5 tickets like that. So you can have a session with the 4 to 5 people in a day. So that way I
Okay,
just
every day,
consistent in my
per day,
journey. Yes, every day,
per day.
per day, right.
Okay.
There is a one more thing. They are giving the premium day. It's a badness day. So in badness
Okay.
day, you can have a session at more than 15 minutes.
Okay.
So that is also the positive points for me. So that way it's the affirmative for me. So
So
that
you
way,
used
like
to talk with them
I
continuously.
consistently,
Okay, consistently.
consistently, yes.
Now also you are doing it or you left it?
Now I am not doing, because from last month I was stuck with some other thing, so that is why I'm not having a session also. But yeah, last 1 month ago I'm just consistent in this journey, same. But who are the beginner, I would say, like who are your audience, like you have a YouTube channel also,
Yeah, I have a small
right?
research.
So
So to yeah,
uh,
for
everyone is
consistency
a
only.
smaller. I'm also the small small YouTube channel. So like who are the beginners? So they should be consistent. For making the consistency, they have to use their many platforms. So like some audio platform. This is the uh, live platform. Like you can go through the
Okay.
live and do the conversation. So that is the plus point. Second thing, this is the free. There is no need to pay any single penny.
Oh, that's a good platform. Yeah.
Yes. So, but who are the beginner, ma'am? Like, who are the beginner? They are facing difficulties to speak something. So that is the great way to start the live conversation, because you can boost your confidence as well from this platform.
Mm.
Because nobody will give the chance directly to you to having a session live, right? Who have a
Yeah.
good command on this language, then people are saying, okay, we have a session with you, right? Otherwise nobody will give the chance, because
Right.
initially you think always, like I'm not comfortable in 30-minute session, so you will start with the 5 minute or 10 minute, right? So that is
Right.
the way you start to increase your time. Like when you start with the
Little,
7
little.
minute,
Yeah, step by
little
step.
little part, it will be
Got it.
increases. So that way I should make the consistency, as well as like I will be boost my confidence also. I
Yeah.
boosted my
Yes,
confidence
ma'am.
from
I
there.
think courage is everything, isn't it? Courage is everything. If now you are courage enough to, convey your thought and you're speaking flawlessly, like fine, you have confident enough. Like very
I
nice.
am confident. I am not a flawless, because I am also doing the so many mistakes. But yeah, I think when you are consistently using this language, automatically, gradually, it will be removed or banished, fed away. That
Yes,
is the
right.
way.
Yeah. We need consistency only. We have to be with
Yes,
it, no matter what. This is wrong or
right.
right or grammatical error or so many things. And yeah, yeah. When I talk, I am little bit feeling nervous in video call always, but I am little bit confident in audio call. But so when it's come to video
Okay.
call, I feel nervous. I feel nervous. I'm forgetting everything. Like I'm forgetting everything. Like even simple words, simple grammar mistake I'm doing when it's coming to video call. So how can I, get rid of it for this problem? This is very problem to me. It's happening.
So, ma'am, like you are saying about to the mistakes, or about to the words, why you are forgetting, and when you are
Yeah,
going for the live conversation, right?
especially for video call. Audio call as well also little bit okay, but video call is coming is I'm feeling nervous and yeah, I'm forgetting everything.
Nervous,
Why it is happening?
like nervous, ma'am, its nervousness will be vanished away. Moreover, the time there is no need to worried about that, because when you are consistently using this platform, consistently you having a session, so automatically it's vanished. Now we talk about the words. So words, like first you have to be clear about that. Someone asking through question, right? So like
Right.
if you ask to me, so we have to listen a conscious way. What you want to ask? If you ask something and I am giving the another one answer, so that is the not that not
Yes,
the
yes. I
right
mean,
way. So
we need
what
when
you
is okay. Understand the question and understand the answer as
right
well. Yeah.
answer. So you have to try to precise answer to the people, like to the in front of the people, towards people. So
Got
that
it.
way, like people understand, because why we are having a session, because we just convey some message to other fellow learners. So that is why
Right.
we are having a session. So why we are like you are forgetting the word, so automatically come out the word, but we know what we have to say and what we have to express about the topic and about to the question. So that way you automatically know the word what we have to express our thought. We have to be precise and constructive way you have to express your thought.
Yes. So now nowadays everyone is focusing on topic wise discussion. So do you think that this is very necessary, or we can achieve our fluency with random topic as well?
So, ma'am, it's about to the topic why people are, because I'm also picking up some topics, because why we have to pick up the topic when we are picking our topic, so that way we learn some new vocabs and we just increase
Yes.
our thinking
Because
ability.
every
And
topic has different words. Like, when you
right,
come to medical
yes,
terms, so you have to weather another word, say playground, sports ground, another words.
right,
Yeah, we have to, otherwise, how can I, even political issues, we have to learn another word. So how can I,
yes.
run with this topic without learning this type of word? It is very
Right.
difficult.
That is why we should pick up the topic, because when you pick up the topic, so you have to think about that. You have to read something, and that way you get some new words and you got some new ideas also. And you have a own idea, and different one have a different idea. So we are sharing the ideas to each other. That way
Yeah,
we learn
right.
from each other. That is
Okay,
why.
okay, good. Very good. So many things, now I'm learning from you is very good, really. So you are really more knowledgeist and confident about this language now. I can see within 7 months. It's really incredible. Fantastic.
Thank you. I think it's a pleasure for me, because now I'm also learning. So I just work on the skills, because I will be become a tutor. So in future, like I will be giving a good classes, good like I'm also giving the classes
Are you
who are the
teaching
adults.
online or offline as well?
Yes, I'm giving online classes, ma'am.
Only online classes.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
only because I'm having kids, so that is why I'm just managing all the things. That is why.
Okay, okay. You are doing now household chores and teaching and everything, like take care of kids and all. So you are doing everything.
Yes.
You are also quite busy. Very good. Very good. So, ma'am, how is the weather in Indore now?
Now it's pleasant weather. Yeah, yesterday has been raining,
It's
so it's
fast. I
pleasant
mean,
today.
I'm asking about season. Which season is running? Like, is it winter? Is like
Here is
summer
no winter.
season? Is rainy
It's a
season?
summer season.
Summer
But
season.
rainy season is has been came. But now like this year, I would say it's too much scorching and sweltering. But yeah, this season like now rain has been started, so it's
Yeah,
pleasant
here
today's weather,
also
I would
same
say.
weather in West Bengal, Kolkata also. Rain started already from since morning. It has been raining cats and dog and thundering and lightning as well. But it's so sweaty and weather is so gloomy like that. Hot is there, but still it is raining continuously. But very hot. But I heard about Indore a lot. It's very clean city, very nice and road and all and good scenario. Everything is fine. Like plant city. This is called. Is it? Is it
Yes,
like that? Is it shooting
yes,
spot
yes,
as
yes. Here is so many shooting corners also, and it's about to the neat and clean. So here is the very neat and clean city. You can go here and there, so there is no garbage. You can find it out in
well?
the road, on the road, and there is a in on the side road. There is a greenery. They are planted some
Wow.
kind of
Okay.
different trees, and about to the some township also. They are also planted so many plants.
Okay. So are you from there only? I mean, born and brought up here only, or
No, no,
you?
no. I am
Okay.
not born and brought up from Indore, but I have completed my studies MBA from Indore,
Okay.
and I will talk about my further study before study. So it's completed from Gwalior, and I belong from a small town nearby Gwalior. It's MP.
Okay. Okay. Now you shifted here. That place to this place,
Yes.
is it?
Yeah, that place, like I have completed MBA. After completing MBA, I was working as a financial advisor. After that, I got married. It's nearby my place, but my husband is also doing business here. So that way, we just shifted here, settling down here.
Okay. So do you left everything like your job and all, or you are doing work from home something this? I like.
Now I'm doing work from home. So many, like actually, I'm having two kids, so both are very small.
Very difficult.
One elder one is yeah, it's very difficult to go outside. So that is why I'm just finding the ways. Before that, I also running a one franchisee of Angel One, but that is not quite satisfied for me because this is the other brand. This is not my own brand. So I was thinking I have to be create something. It's my own. So that way I start working
So
on the skills
okay, do you
or
want to switch that when did that profession, like, as a YouTuber or trainer? Is it?
might be I'm not quite answerable this question,
Yeah,
but
yeah, you
yeah,
can.
might be in future if it will be work, then I will be
Hmm.
continuing that.
Yeah, yeah. But see, your English is very good. Your, the audacity of your teaching and telling everything and make me understand is very good. Style is very good. So you can do like
Thank you so
this.
much. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. So, ma'am, sorry for the interrupt you. Actually, I have to go. I have to pick up my children. That's why.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
next time
Okay,
we
thank
will
you
see
so
you
much.
soon.
This is very
Thank you so much
insightful.
for your.
Yeah, yeah. Conversation. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.